In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in drawio for Confluence and Jira. We'll start right inside Confluence, open the space and page where you want your diagram to live, make sure you're in editing mode so you can add content to the page. If you're creating a brand new page, that works too. Just give it a quick title so it's easy to find later. With the page open for editing, place your cursor where you want the diagram to appear and type /draw.io. From the menu that pops up, choose the draw.io diagram option. This inserts the diagram macro and gets you ready to build right inside the page, which is great for keeping your documentation and visuals in one place. Next, give your diagram a clear name and click Create. A descriptive name helps teammates understand the purpose at a glance and keeps attachments organized. Clicking Create opens the draw.io editor, which is where you'll do all the layout and styling before saving back to the page. Inside the editor, look to the left for the shape libraries and select the flowchart library. You'll see the classic shapes like Terminator for start and end, process for steps, and decision for branches. Drag the shapes you need onto the canvas. You can double-click a shape to add text, drag corners to resize, and use the alignment guides to keep everything neat. If you want to adjust colors or borders, use the Format panel on the right so your flow is readable and consistent with your team's style. To connect steps, hover over a shape until the blue arrows appear, then click and drag from an arrow to the next shape. Draw.io creates a connector that snaps into place, keeping things tidy as you move shapes around. You can click a connector to add labels like yes or no, switch the line style, or add arrowheads so the direction is unmistakable. If connectors cross awkwardly, drag their points to reroute or choose a different style to reduce clutter. When your flowchart looks good, click Save in the top right and exit the editor. The diagram will render directly on your Confluence page so everyone can view it without leaving the document. If you need to update it later, just edit the page and open the diagram again from the macro. The same approach applies when adding diagrams in Jira, where the Draw.io integration is available, making it easy to keep workflows aligned across your tools. That's it. You've created a clear, connected flowchart in Draw.io for Confluence.